Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial again, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML colors, and today we are talking about X colors, HEX colors. So quickly, let's get started. HTML X colors. A hexadecimal color is specified with hashtag along with the RGGBB, RRGGBB colors, where the RR means red color, the GG means green color, and the BB means blue color. Hexadecimal integers specify the components of color. That is, you can identify a hexadecimal color name with this hashtag along with the value, like double value here, RR, like the RR means red, GG means green, blue means blue values. So X color values. In HTML, a color can be specified using a hexadecimal value in the form like RRGGBB along with the hashtag, where RR means red, GG means green, and BB means blue are hexadecimal values between 00 and FF, same as decimal value from 0 to 255. For example, I will explain this 0 to FF for you clearly. You will understand it clearly. So let's get going. Hashtag FF0000 means red is displayed as red because red is set to its highest value, FF, and the other two, green and blue, are set to 100. Are set to 0000. Another example is hashtag 00FF00 is displays as green because green is set to its highest value, FF, and the other two, red and blue, are set to 0000. To display black, set all color parameters to 000000 like this: 000000 along with their hashtag. To display white color, set all color parameters to FF like this: FF, FF, FF. That is, we use RRGGBB. You understand? RGB again. Experiment by mixing the X values below. In our other tutorial, we have discussed about RGB, so you can watch the RGB tutorial if you haven't know how we get here. So you can just check a video before this one. You will find the tutorial on RGB colors. So quickly, let's continue. This color here, we are going to display the color, but this is an example. You can push hashtag along with the colors, the double color, but not one thing. Every time it's going to have double. Most times it's going to have double colors here. So most times, mostly. For example, as you can see, this display is red, this display blue, this display green, it displays different. When you are mixing it, you are going to detect different colors. So let's continue. Shades of gray is also here also. So when you are mixing this gradually along with the same value from top to down, from down to the top, you are going to detect your gray color value. So I think you are understanding my point now. So let's get to our document and see where we stop in the other day. So this is the place where we had color from the RGB that time. Let's say we haven't watched the video on how we did the RGB colors, so go and watch it. This one today we are going to discuss about X color. So we are using X color. So let's reload our document to see what we have here. This is X color. So for us to use the X color, we are going to use the HTML style attribute along with the background color from the CSS along with the X color. How can we identify the X color? We are going to identify it by using hash. When we use hashtag, and we are going to specify the type of color that we in the other in our document we read that the X color is going to be specified by using rrggbb, that is by using what? By using ff. You understand? Like rr, this is rr, this is your gg, this is your bb. Like this one now, like this one and this. So quickly, let's see how it works. So we want to specify red here. We have to increase the volume of the red, right? So let's give it ff. We detect that this ff is for green. Let's save it now. Maybe it will work. It's for red. We have already used r. Let's see our document, but it will never show. Can you see? It's not showing. So let's use another. This works like exactly like the way we were using the RGB, but this one is just different because it's having another one kind something. In the future, I'm going to explain better for you. So let's see. Let's use another color. This is GG. Let's reload our document. You see, it's not displaying again. So let's use BB. This is our BB now. R, this one stands for RR, GG, and BB. GG and BB. So let's see how our document looks. Now you see it's displayed. You can see our red color here. It's displaying clearly. So whenever we want to use the black color, we are going to give it 000000. This is not a tutorial about X hexadecimal numbers. That's why we are not talking about it much. But in the future tutorial, when we are getting to our advanced technology part of this, you are going to understand the much powerful things you can do with your X numbers. So can you see this is going to turn to black? Can you see it's turning to black because X number starts from 0 to FF. Like when you are counting it, you are going to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9, you are going to continue counting, reach A, B, C, D, E, F. I hope you are getting the point. Like we are going to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. That is hexadecimal for you. So now let's use the FF for the G. FF here that stands for G. GG. Our GG is going to be FF. So you see the Visual Studio Code have automatically detected it for us. So now the load is this will turn to green. Can you see? This is our GG color. So and let's use our BB color to see how it looks. So quickly, let's continue and use our BB color. Quickly, let's just use FF here. We are having three values, so all those three values, they are using two values. You are seeing this has turned to blue, so it has turned to blue now. So let's change it. Let's mix the color like we did in our former tutorial. Let's use this one as 30. Let's see how it goes. We mix that is, we mix color blue with little amount of green color. Can you see? This is how it goes. You see, this is the amount of green color that we mix. So, and you see how it's still showing. It's showing here. So let's mix more. Let's mix like 20 of this one. Let's mix 20 of this one. Can you see how it works? It doesn't give us something nice, so we can just do like this. Let's say FF here. Let's see. Can you see the color it gave us now? It gave us a nice color again. So you cannot do like this. As this is 5, it will never show anything. Can you see? It must be 2222, like RRGGBB, because we are using RGB colors. So we can do like 39. It's going to display the color. You can do like 80. You are going to see the color, and you can do like F F A. Yes, and you can do like F0. You can do like 0F. Can you see? Let's see the color here. So this is how we are mixing the color. You are going to mix the color using what? Using RR, GG, and BB. So we are using the two value 1 2 1 2 1 2. When you count this, the numbers here, the things here, the text here, everything, the strings, all the strings here, they are up to 1 2 3 4 5 6. The string and integer here, everything here is up to 6 digits. So we are using 6 things here. So if you are using 5 stops here, it's not going to work. If you are using 5 stops here, it's not going to work, because it must be RRGGBB. So, and also if you want to have the shades of gray, like you want to control the opacity again, you can specify the same value for everything, like 222222. This is going to become gray. Can you see? And you can do it again, like F5. Like you can do like F. Can you see? We want to have a gray color. You can see the gray. You can see the gray opacity. We are controlling the opacity. You can do like this again. 6060. We are controlling the opacity. Like I told you earlier, I think you are getting the point now. So I think you have understood me very clearly. Oh, this is how we specify our X color. I hope to see you next time. My name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe once again. I hope you have understood this. I hope to see you next time. And thank you so much. And have a great day. Bye bye.